My Way or the Thai Way, Phonics in English with Crew Tim. Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to do Jolly Phonics Workbook number 4, page number 22. Let's see what we need to do. Say the word for each picture and listen for the sounds. Then write the letters for the sounds and read the word. Alright, let's go ahead and let's get started. Okay, let's look up top. A-I-A sound. Double E-E sound. I-E-I sound. O-A-O sound. Let's go ahead and let's write those first and then we'll do the pictures. Okay, let's go down and do the pictures. What is this? Train. Train. We're going to use the A-I sound. A-I, train. So let's write it. T-R-A-I-N. Train. Train. What is this? Pie. Pie. We're going to use the I-E-I sound. Pie. P-I-E. Pie. Pie. What is this? Toast. Toast. We're going to use the O-A-O sound. Toast. T-O-A-S-T. Toast. Toast. What is this? Tie. Tie. Sounds like pie. We're going to use the I-E-I sound. Tie. T-I-E. Tie. Tie. What is this? Goat. Goat. Use the O-A-O sound. Goat. G-O-A-T. Goat. Goat. What is this? Bee. Bee. Use the double E-E sound. Bee. B-E-E. Bee. Bee. What are these? Feet. Feet. Double E-E sound. Feet. Feet. F-E-E-T. Feet. Feet. What is this? Brain. Brain. A-I-A sound. Brain. B-R-A-I-N. Brain. Brain. What is this? Boat. Boat. O-A-O sound. Boat. Boat. B-O-A-T. Boat. Great job, everyone. Go ahead, color your page. Color it any way you want. Let's take a look at my colored page. Here it is, all written and colored. You've done a wonderful job today. The end. Great job, everyone. I will see you on the next video. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.